Today we're going to make the ice cream stick aeroplane. Let's get started to make it. Show you what all things we need. Blue, orange, red and yellow ice cream stick. But if you don't have ice cream stick, you can use color paper. Now from the red and yellow, cut smaller sizes. And let blue and orange be the same way how it used to be. And take orange and place the blue over the orange. Now you have to let it dry before you start playing with them or with the break. When it's dried, it looks something like this. And if you don't have color ice cream sticks, you can use a normal one and can color with sketch pen or you can color with paint. And I had done with sketch pen in the front and the back. I hope you like this video. Don't forget to subscribe and do the liking.